know? It's really easy to just fucking stick your car. Oh my god, man. Parking, is it? I'm gonna say no. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? God.
I'm gonna start saying that at like restaurants like Golden Corral. I'm gonna go in there. How's the buffet, Andy? I'd be like, is the steak titillating? It is. Smashing Pumpkins. 2 hours commercial free coming up right after our show. And again, it's 3:45. Boston's next generation of classic rock. Rock 92.9. You want the best cleanse? Just a normal, just run-of-the-mill Asian porn star. Asian porn star. Yeah, nothing to see there. Be sure that's the real one, on the right one? Because I thought it was transgender. Okay. So I thought it was, male transitioning into a female. You saw that? Where did you see that? In Maine? One, but it was not. It was triple bagged it. It is a black garbage bag. If your goal when you're working out is less about getting in shape and more about people watching you get in shape,
Balls could talk. They'd cry uncle. Or they might say, you could use another virtual cooking class or two. Or the kids drew unicorns on me again. Or I know you missed them.
In the back of the building.
Mm-hmm. Oh, geez.
I mean, oh my god, I hate you. Jesus, man. Lock it up at the very beginning of a yellow light. Are you stressed?
Yes. Right. I know you know how to do this, but motherfucker, you want to hell?
I know. Bumped him. Wow, that's why your car looks like that. If it was like a... Oh, Jesus, here we go. My dude. Going hard.
Jumping that motorcycle.
I know. Oh my god!
For I-93 South, US 1 South.
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm Kayla. As a mom working from home, life is crazier than ever, especially on days like these. But I'm still ruling my day thanks to Metro. Metro gave me an awesome phone and tablet. Now my...
Oh, dick. I gotta go this way. Can I make it? Nope. Alright. But for that high caliber of a shoot, and that they put me up in a hotel and shit. Fuck, man. Okay.
907-2721. Paid for by the Boy Scouts of America.
When you're stressed, you just don't feel like yourself. New Natrol Relaxia, a full line of drug-free supplements to help you manage occasional stress and anxiety. A special blend of herbals keeps you...
It was butt stuff and pain. Yeah, that's what it is. Got a pegging pew where you kneel down and get pegged?
Yeah. I mean, I guess he could be doing it to others, right?
No.
I guess he could. But they're made of curiosity to always try new things. at that cooking class, or skiing, and finally learning guitar. Now that the kids are out of the house. So when Beth realized they were overpaying the insurance company...
There's Encore.
Oh shit. God, it reminds me of like...
Okay.
Oh wow, Jesus. Dude, at least like go faster. Like,
Oh my god. What are you doing?
That's so avoidable.
That's not good. That just happened.
It must have.
Yep. Oh.
Oh, Crunchy's sad.
I don't know. Fucking bus in my way.
Of course. Always the best.
What?
What is that? Yeah.
Probably was supposed to be like a gate that came down that was either open or too early or wasn't locked correctly or something. And they got out into the exhibit.
Dude.
No good. Oh, okay, if you gotta be mauled to death by any which
You always have to give in, right? That's the way of the world. Oh man, people give in. Some don't, but yeah, some do because they'll face too much. Again, it's all started with one person's tweet. There's
Now she just has to go in and like argue every single ticket.
Yeah.
I mean, it just does it online, so it's easy. It just kind of does the same thing every time, but it's annoying.
Yeah, it's annoying to have to keep up with that. You have to like do anything like or like get documents.
yeah, these are the kind of cars that they're like for no explanation whatsoever. There'll just be like parking lots in this like plaza by me that are just people checking these kind of cars out, hanging out.
next on the list is the Volkswagen GTI. Yeah, it's bad.
Oh my god, man. Are you serious? All that down, it's like I'm not making very much money. So on something like this, it's like I'm happy to do it, man, but you gotta understand. You guys just getting out, it's fine.
SDP right now, commercial free.
Oh, lovely. Great spot to do that in.
Don't get shit out of the trunk in the middle of the fucking road, dude. You
It's
can't
so
even open
annoying.
the
Like,
trunk.
if somebody turns green, then it pets everyone else off.
There's nobody around me for that. Oh, fucking decked her with the door.
1 p.m. at squeeze.com. Squeeze with a D.com. Hey, it's Adam 12. Here to share with you a hidden barbecue gem called Good
what
Stuff
are you
Smokehouse in
doing?
Blackstone.
You're gonna go right or left
Internet
at the
listeners
fucking.
awarded Good
Oh
Stuff
my
Smokehouse
god.
Best in Boston this at goodstuffsmokehouse.com.
Look at that.
This week at Macy's, discover the latest in fall
Oh,
fashion,
U-turn.
like 25%.
It's WCYY.
What are you doing, man?
Headed from the bleachers to the bench, now I'm on deck. Make way, hitting it first like Ray J. White rapper, my AKA is payday. Put them hands in the air. If you sippin', put them cans in the air. Cheers to a
He's cute though. You're driving down the middle of the fucking road, lady.
Thankfully, though, I did it. I felt so good. I felt like I had so much more energy. And you were excited to try it, Lisa.
Yes, you know, I do all my research. I research everything, and I realize that squeeze.com is the best one out there.
Wasn't really keen to leave until they brought him out. I started him quick and got the breeding. 1669, they built a fortress, stationed soldiers, and gave the...
Bucks last year. Here's something out of Australia. A missing fisherman who triggered a record-breaking search. He was found 12 days ago, finally.
What are you doing?
And he's gone missing again.
He can't stop going missing.
He cannot stop going
What do you
missing.
mean? Where?
Here's what happened. Earlier this month, a pair of fishermen went missing in the cold, wild waters off the Great Australian Bight, triggering a search that lasted over 5 days. The search was the largest in the state of South...